Gaming has taken a lot of fascination and is one of the biggest sources of entertainment for the new generation. Students spend on an average 3 hours per day on gaming. This triggered our new course, Expert Gaming Coder, which engages students in coding games and building logic, computational skills, and algorithms working behind creating these games. This course explores advanced programming concepts like Python and Java to make and implement gaming logic, sequencing, animation, and conditions. This course is the most interesting, stimulating, and interactive way to attract children to learn advanced coding concepts. The key highlights of the course are the 72 sessions that teach students to create more than 25 big games with animation. Students create these games with camera inputs and concepts using applied Python and Java coding. In the Python gaming module, we cover advanced concepts of libraries, plotting, functions, along with making text-based games and small animation games like quiz game, snakes and ladders, projectile, shooting, blackjack, tic-tac-toe, and more. In the Java gaming module, students learn online object creation, coloring, and animation using Java coding, and then make games using those objects. Animation and programming algorithms that are used to design full-length games are bouncing ball, ping pong, Flappy Bird, rock, paper, scissors, and even it helps them create their very own new game. Thus, in this course, don't just play it, code it.